Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking school admission Facebook post in Canva. So, if you're trying to create an admission post in Canva, then this video is for you. Creating a post in Canva is really easy. And the best part is that you don't have to create your post from scratch. If you don't have any experience or creativity, then this platform is perfect for you. You just need to pick a template that you like, modify and customize it, and your post will be ready. Go to the search bar and type Admission Facebook Post. If you are creating a post for Instagram, you need to type Instagram instead of Facebook, like this Canva template, and go to See All to explore all the templates. Now you can see that minimal to professional-looking school admission templates are available. You can modify whichever template you like. Just explore and choose the template that meets your expectations or vision. So now, I will explore the options, and maybe I will go with this one. This one looks free, and this one looks good. I will just click on it, then click on Customize this template. Now you can see that I have full access and can modify or adjust whatever I like. Starting with the text. If you want to customize text, just double-click it, and you can customize the text. For more features, if you want to change the font, you can do so. If you want to resize your text, you can simply resize it. If you want to change the color of your text, you can change it. You can also make it bold or italic. You can try all these features. Now, regarding the background, if you want to change the background color, just click on Background, and these features will be enabled. Just click on Background Color, and, like this, you can just choose any background color you like. Now, if you want to replace this image with your own image, you need to go to Upload and upload an image from your PC. You can also upload images from the Canva library. Go to Elements and search for something like School. Then go to Photos and, like this, you can simply drag and drop an image. You can just drag and drop, and your image will replace the template image. If you want to add your own image, go to Upload and upload an image from your PC. Your image will appear here. For this demonstration, I will pick a random image from Pinterest. Maybe I will go with this one. I will just copy it and paste it here just to demonstrate another one. Maybe this one. I will copy it as well. I will just copy it and paste it here. So now my image is here. Now I will just drag and drop it in the same way. Similarly, you can modify your own text, add your own elements and images, and include your details, contact information, branding, colors, and everything else. When you are done customizing or modifying the design, to download it, rename your file, go to Share, select Download, and download it in PNG or any other format if needed. Just download, and your admission Facebook post is ready to upload to Facebook. You created it yourself in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching.